'Cause we'll be on a tether.
Arya udah masuk. Arya, halo.
Halo, halo.
Arya gak telat lagi, yeay.
Maaf, maaf. Apa?
Kita lanjut.
Kak Cika sekarang rekomendasinya sekarang belajar apa? Lanjut belajar Kak Chef aja?
Boleh, kecuali Arya pengen belajar apa?
Nggak tahu, nggak. Aku yang ikut Kak Cika sekarang.
Kak Cika kalau Arya nggak bosan sih pengennya Arya dapat sertifikat tuh yang coach chef. Tapi kalau misalnya Arya mau coba,
Mau? Ayo, ayo. Mana linknya?
coach chef. Kan ada di Arya yang biasa.
Oh iya, yang itu, yang
Iya,
Coach Chef.
iya yang coach chef. Itu
Oke, oke.
Arya coba lihat deh berapa persen lagi mendapatkan sertifikat ya. Kita lanjutin aja yuk. Nah, mana ya? Kagok lah. Terusin dulu aja yuk. Mari kita lihat apa tugasnya sekarang. Output the sum of all even integers. Semua bilangan genap dijumlahin ya. Jadi dicek dulu dia genap atau enggak. Kalau genap
Okay,
dijumlahin.
you're given an integer n. You need to output the sum of all integers from 1 to n.
Mm-mm. Ayo, apa dulu? Berarti kalau kata Kak Cika, eh kan dapat integer nih.
Ya, jadi int input dulu ya.
N sama dengan in input. Hampir Arya udah bener.
Oh,
N
oke.
sama dengan,
Nah, apa emang n sama dengan in input?
karena kan kita mesti dapat angka N-nya nih. Ya,
Oh,
kalau
oke.
nggak di save. Terus Kak Cika kok bingung ya? Oh, jadi gini, ya, misalnya kan kita masukin misalnya 5 nih. Nah, bener.
Well, n is
Yang dimasukin tuh cuma 5.
bigger than 1 atau 0?
0.
Oh, oke.
Terus, pakai count ya. Count, count sama dengan 0 di luar while-nya.
Maksudnya?
Di sebelum while, Arya kasih sum aja deh, sum. Sama dengan 0. Jadi kan kita mau ngejumlahin. Cuman bilangan genap. Berarti dari 0, dari 1 sampai 5, kita cek dulu kalau dia genap, masukin ke dalam sum gitu. Enggak, itu bener. Ya, bener. N lebih besar dari 0-nya bener. Dah, sekarang
Print.
if, sekarang if, cek dulu. If, ah. Oh, Arya mau gitu.
Bisa nggak?
Cobain dulu, cobain dulu. Nanti, pokoknya intinya Arya harus ngecek dulu itu pada.
Ditambahin. Oh, gimana ya?
Iya, jadi Arya mesti ngecek. Ini bilangannya, misalnya ya, kan ini kan N-nya sekarang 5 nih. Selama 5 ini lebih besar dari 0 tuh dicek ya. Misalnya 5 itu genap atau ganjil ya gitu. Kalau dia genap, dimasukin ke sum, dijumlahin ke sum
Gimana
gitu.
caranya gitu?
Nah, berarti Arya mesti bikin gini. Tunggu dulu sayangku. Kak Cika berarti bikin gini, Arya. Kan udah ada itu ya. Kalau Kak Cika bikinnya, kan Arya udah ada while. Di dalam while-nya, if, and, di mode, ingat nggak ya yang minggu lalu? Di mode, kalau dia dibagi 2, sama, dibagi 2 sama dengan 0, berarti sum sama dengan sum plus n.
Di
Udah,
dalam while-nya.
di dalam while-nya. Terus nanti di luar while baru print. Tapi print di luar while nanti print sum gitu.
If n is
Nah gitu.
2, 9,
Mm-mm.
0.
Iya.
Oh ya, bentar. Some plus n. Terus gini.
Heeh.
Oh, oke. Kak Cika,
Printnya di
aku agak bisa.
kalangan.
Kak Cika bisa ngejelasin nggak kodenya kayak gini biar aku belajar nggak nyontek aja.
Oke. Jadi gini. Tapi print sum-nya nanti di sejajar sama while ya. Jadi gini, kan si n itu kan kita masukin bilangan. Makanya pakai
Mhm.
input kan. Misalnya Kak Cika mau bilangnya ada 10 gitu kan.
Ya,
Bilangnya ada 10 berarti kan dari 1 sampai 10 tuh ya. Berarti dari 1 sampai 10 kita harus ngecek mana aja yang genap kan. Nah, yang genap kan 2. Berarti kan
ya 2,
tambah 4.
4,
Mm-mm. 6.
tambah 6, tambah 8, tambah 10.
Pintar, pintar gitu. Nah, berarti kan kalau gitu selama kita kan harus bikin while-nya selama n-nya lebih besar dari 0 kan, dia akan ngitung untuk setiap n. Tapi di sini tuh ini daripada print sum-nya di sini tuh di sini n sama dengan n-nya mesti dikurangin 1 ya. Karena kan jadi dia ngecek dulu nih 10 nih. Kan di awalnya kan 10. Dia ngecek
Ya.
10 lebih besar dari 0 nggak? Iya. Oke. 10 dibagi 2 sama dengan 0 nggak? Iya. Oke. Berarti
Mhm.
sumnya 0 kan? Ditambah
Mhm.
sum ditambah 10. Berarti ini masuk ke sum kan?
Yes.
Terus n-nya jadi minus 1. Jadi 9 kan sekarang ya? 9 masih lebih besar dari 0 nggak? Masih. Tapi
Ya.
9 di mod 2 nggak habis kan? Nggak sama dengan 0.
Ya.
Nggak masuk ke sum. Terus diminusin lagi. Sekarang jadi 8. 8 lebih besar dari 0
Oh,
nggak? Gitu.
gitu.
Gitu. Jadi nanti dia gini. 10 tambah 8 tambah 6. Mundur sih dia. Tambah 4 tambah 2. Nah, berarti ini kan sama dia di sum-sum terus nih sambil ngelooping. Nah, Arya ngeprintnya di luarnya si while di sini baru pas udah beres semua baru di print sumnya. Nah, ini tuh udah sum
Kirain
keseluruhan.
cuma di luarnya if, bukan di luarnya while juga.
Di luarnya
Oh,
while.
oke.
Cobain ya. Kasih hapus jangan.
Iya. Lah kok?
Eh, belum boleh submit, belum selesai sayangku. N-nya ini di sini di sejajar sama nah sejajar sama if n sama dengan n minus 1.
Oke.
Dia bisa.
Pesan n minus 1. Ini.
Oh, cobain. Run dulu kali nggak?
Lah nggak bisa.
Di run nggak bisa? Hah? Kenapa ya?
Tuh. Submission limit reached. Hah?
Hah, biasanya nggak gini?
Bentar,
Jadi
bentar. Biar aku ini.
nggak mau, kesel.
Reload.
Reload kan? Apa itunya sih, cache memorinya sih?
Lah aku kok pro? Nggak pro.
Ah, salah login nggak? Kok nggak
Oh,
limit? Oh, belum
aku itu.
login. Ya Allah. Yang tadi kodenya muncul nggak ya? Harus ngetik lagi.
Nah, line 8.
Apa emang ada? Oh, print sum-nya pakai kurung.
Eh,
Pakai kurung ya.
lah kan variabel. Nggak perlu.
Oke, sayang. Kalau ngeprint tuh harus pakai kurung.
Eh,
Bisa?
hmm,
Iya,
bisa,
iya.
bisa.
Gitu ya, pokoknya diurut satu-satu aja. Kalau Kak Cika suka dikotretin sih, kayak
Okay,
kumon.
welcome back. Today in practice section, let's see how to print a Fibonacci series. But
India
what
lagi.
exactly is a Fibonacci series? Now, it's a series
Oh,
or
Fibonacci.
sequence of numbers where each number is the sum of previous two numbers. Confused?
Fibonacci ya.
Let me elaborate. Now, the series starts with 0 and 1. The next number in the series is the sum of these two numbers, which is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. The fourth number in the series will be 1 plus 1. The fifth number in the series will be 1 plus 2, 3. The rest of the numbers are also calculated the same way. Now, let's say a number n is given to you. For n equal to 5, we need to print the first 5 numbers in the series, which will be 0, 1, 1, 3. Now, if n is 3, we got to print 0, 1, 1. Let's try to sketch out the logic to solve this problem step by step. First step, we know that the series starts with two numbers, 0 and 1. So we save these values somewhere because we have to add them up later on. So a equal to 0 equal to 1. Let's print these numbers we have with us. So print a and b. After this point, to get the rest of the numbers in the series, we have to pick two numbers, add them up. Again, with the next two numbers, add them up. Now these steps are performed repeatedly. So time to bring in a here. But how do we decide how many times this will run? Now we have already printed two numbers 0 and 1. We were supposed to print n numbers in total, which means the count of numbers remaining for us to print will be n minus 2, right? So our loop will run n minus 2 times. The first thing we do inside the loop is to add the two numbers we stored inside a and b. So this addition needs to be stored inside some other variable, let's say c. We've calculated c, let's print it out. Now, our loop doesn't end here. Now, the values of a and b were 0 and 1. But for the next iteration, a and b should be updated to 1 and 1, right? Let's draw this out. So, 0 was a and 1 was b. We did a plus b to get c, which is 1. This is what we have with us. Now, in the next iteration, the second number should be our new a and the third number should be our new b. How do you think we can do this? Well, it's simple. Focus on what is happening here. If you look closely, the value b gets assigned to a and the value of c gets assigned to b. So in code, you can write it something like this. A equal to b, equal to c.
C.
In every iteration, these two lines will help us shift the values of a and b by one step. Thank you.
Nah, bagus juga tuh. Gimana tuh?
Oh, oke. Ntar. Aku kurang ngerti, boleh ngulang?
Boleh. Kak Cika juga mau ngulang.
Today in this practice section, let's see how to print a Fibonacci series. But what exactly is a Fibonacci series? Now, it's a series or sequence of numbers where each number is the sum of previous two numbers. Confused? Well, let me elaborate. Now, the series starts with 0 and 1. The next number in the series is the sum of these two numbers, which is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. The fourth number in the series will be 1 plus 1, 2. The fifth number in the series will be 1 plus 2, 3. The rest of the numbers are also calculated the same way. Now, let's say a number n is given to you. For n equal to 5, we need to print the first 5 numbers in the series, which will be 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now, if n is 3, we got to print 0, 1, 1. Let's try to sketch out the logic to solve this problem step by step. First step, we know that the series starts with two numbers, 0 and 1. So we save these values somewhere because we have to add them up later on. So a equal to 0 equal to 1. Let's print these numbers we have with us. So print a and b. After this point, to get the rest of the numbers in the series,
Eh, eh, ini maksudnya apa sih kutipnya? Kutip.
Kutipnya itu biar dia berjejer ke kanan gitu ya. Jadi
Oh, kalau
biar ada spasi gitu.
ya.
Ya, kalau nggak dia turun ke bawah di Python tuh kalau pengen
Oke, oke,
satu
oke.
baris pakai itu. Sip. Lanjut.
You have to pick two numbers, add them up. Again, the next two numbers, add them up. Now these steps are performed repeatedly. So time to bring in a pair. But how do we decide how many times this will run? Now, we have already printed two numbers, 0 and 1. We were supposed to print n numbers in total, which means the count of numbers remaining for us to print will be n minus 2, right? So our loop will run n minus 2 times. The first thing we do inside the loop is to add the two numbers we stored inside a and b. So this addition needs to be stored inside some other variable, let's say c. We've calculated c, let's print it out. Now, our loop
Wait.
count of number 1. We were supposed to print n numbers in total, which means the count of numbers remaining for us to print will be n minus 2, right? So our loop will run n minus 2 times. The first thing we do inside the loop is to add the two numbers we stored inside a and b. So this addition needs to be stored inside some other variable, let's say c. We've calculated c, let's print it out. Now, our loop doesn't end here. Now, the values of a and b were 0 and 1. But for the next iteration, a and b should be updated to 1 and 1, right? Let's draw this out. So, 0 was a and 1 was b. We did a plus b to get c, which is 1. This is what we have with us. Now, in the next iteration, the second number should be our new a,
Iya,
and the
geser.
third number should be our b. How do you think we can do this? Well, it's simple. Focus on what is happening here. If you look closely, the value b gets assigned to a, and the value of c gets assigned to b. So in code, we can write it something like this: a equal to b equal to c.
Oh, oke,
Tuh.
oke.
Jadi dia tuh selalu penjumlahan dua bilangan sebelumnya ya.
Hmm.
Nah, bisa nggak? Bisa nggak? Udah nih ya, tinggal yang tadi yang dia bilang-bilang sama India itu diisi-isiin ya. Coba ya, masih ingat nggak? Berarti in
Oke,
range-nya berarti n-2 kan?
ya, ya. For I in range, A di N dikurangi 2. Karena A dan B kan, ya kan?
Ya, karena udah ada 2 duluan. Ya.
Oke, C equals A plus B.
Ya, benar. Terus
A equals B equals C.
iya bener Arya. Jago. Yes, hijau.
Enggak sih, cuma maksudnya C plus plus. Nonton boleh?
Boleh.
Oke.
Sebenarnya logiknya sama kali. Kayaknya sama
Hey,
deh.
welcome back. Today in the loop practice section, let's see how to print a Fibonacci series. But what exactly is a Fibonacci series? It's a series of sequence of numbers where each number is the sum of the previous two numbers. Unclear? Let me explain further. The series starts with number 0 and 1. The next number in the series is the sum of these two numbers, which is 0 plus 1, which is 1. The fourth number in the series will be 1 plus 1, which is 2. The fifth number in the series will be 1 plus 2, which is 3. The rest of the numbers are also calculated the same way. Let's say a number n is given to you. For n equals to 5, we need to print the first 5 numbers in the series, which is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. If n is 3, we gotta print 0, 1, 1. Let's try to sketch out the logic to solve this problem. Step 2 numbers 0 and 1. We save these values somewhere.
Sin itu apa?
C-in itu kayak input.
Oh, oke.
C-input. Nah, bedanya kalau di Python kan input kan. Kalau di C, C++ C-in. Oh, enggak deh. Kalau di C malah bukan C-in. Kalau di C itu std-in. Nah, beda lagi. Ya gitu aja, beda sintaks aja sih ya. Tapi logiknya sama.
Bentar.
Gimana?
This isn't just any chat, it's ClickUp chat. Sure, you can tag your team, ask.
So you want to hack games in Python? Then this video is for you.
Lanjut. Disuruh buat nggak kan, tinggal next kan? Tinggal next aja.
Okay, nice. Let's do this. Okay, yeah, next.
Iya kan next. Nah, sekarang pangkat.
You're given 2 space separate.
Kalau pangkat gimana di common ya? Berarti dikaliin kan sekian kali. Berarti loopingnya sebanyak n dikaliin bilangannya. Ya kan ya?
Bisa gini enggak sih?
Jadi kayak saya gini, kan Arya ya gitu sih, tapi enggak kalau.
Bisa sih, tapi enggak.
Cuma kok
Iya.
ya itu benar apa operatornya itu, tapi inputnya gak gitu ya. Harus
Iya,
gitu,
emang.
Mbak. Jadi 5 pangkat 3 tuh Arya harus bikin looping supaya jadi 5 kali 5 kali 5 gitu ya. Jadi loopingnya 3 kali. Loopingnya sebanyak pangkatnya, pengaliannya sebanyak bilangan
Oke,
ininya.
jadi gimana
Nah.
ya?
Input dulu berat.
N sama dengan int.
Kalau input berdua itu gimana sih ya? Lupa. Kak Cika selalu lupa ya. Karena input berdua tuh gimana ya biar satu spasi itu ya, satu line. Oh, tuh. Pakai map. Split.
Oke, so gimana split maksudnya?
Ya, kalau inputnya ada 2 itu kan inputnya 2 kan ya, mau diambil sekaligus kan?
Ya.
Berarti kayak gini. Tunggu. Kak Cika kasih contohnya. Di chat ya.
Yes.
Gini berarti gitu. Tapi 2 aja, berarti N sama M. Gak, jadi N, M sama dengan input, input. Oh, kalau integer harus pakai map ya. Tunggu ya, nggak bisa. Itu string. Tunggu. Tunggu ya. Taking multiple integer inputs in Python. Bukan map with split. Tunggu ya, bentar ya.
Sword? Yes, I can. So we could start with a Neverite sword. Did it upgrade to a gold?
Ini
What the hell did you do?
berarti
Okay, this is kind of cooked. I'm upgrading to a diamond axe, and then a
N
Neverite
sama
axe,
M.
and I'm also going to get
No.
a Neverite
N.
sword. Okay, never mind. Oh my god, what a bad start. But it's okay.
input,
God, we can get like a sharpness 8
split.
whenever I axe. I've just realized. That is actually so good. Oh my god.
Ini.
That is so much better than I thought it would be. Okay,
Nah,
so we need to get underground as quick as possible because we need to get diamonds for diamond armor.
for
Because we've got infinite enchants with this infinite enchant table. And we're going to be able
heat range M
Ya, yuk. Jadi sebuah ini
for P sama dengan P dikali N terus print P pakai kurung print P gitu ya.
level 30. You're obviously insane.
Kak Cika udah lihat tulisan.
Work getting it on
Ya Allah, hausnya panas banget.
when I can get it on diamond armor because it's just a waste of time. So the goal is to basically have
yang di chat. Oke.
Iya. Yang di chat ya benar.
Maksudnya P? Kok P dari
Power.
mana sih?
P itu power ketika ngambil hasilnya. Jadi power itu sama dengan N
oke,
dikaliin
oke,
M
oke.
kali. Terserah aja sih mau X juga.
Jadi N sama apa?
Nah itu Arya kan bikinnya cuma N. Bikinnya NM terus pakai map ya. Soalnya nanti inputnya dua variabel sekaligus kan dalam satu bit.
Tapi N masih kayak gini kan? N
Iya.
sama M masih kayak gini kan?
Iya kayak gitu. Tapi jadi kayak bentuk yang Kak Cika. Jadi N, M. Terus kasih map. Terus kasih split.
N, M. Map gitu.
Iya.
Wait, let me see. Map. Oh,
Iya. Kak Cika juga selalu.
oke. Interesting.
Yes. Nah, kurungnya bakal kebanyakan ya. Kurung akhirnya kayaknya 2 deh, nggak 3.
Enggak kan satu nih kurung buka yang pertama, kurung buka yang kedua, kurung buka yang ketiga.
Tapi yang input kan langsung ditutup ya.
Hah? Oh iya juga ya.
Ya kan.
Abis itu apa ya?
Terus for
in for in range M.
Nah. Print P yang ke-7 di baris 7 nggak usah ya, Kak Cika salah itu. Terus
Hah?
baris 6
Oh.
masuk ke dalam. Baris 6 masuk ke dalam, baris 7 hapus. Nah, udah. Ya gitu.
Hah? Lah. Oke, masuk ke dalam. Maksudnya
Nah
ini.
gitu. Ya. Dah, udah. Printnya jangan ya.
Oke.
Kayak tadi. Coba bener nggak ya? Deng. Iya benernya kayaknya.
Dah, line 2.
Invalid literal. Oh,
Itu
ya,
literal.
yang baris 2 sama 3 hapus saja.
Oh, itu unnecessary component.
Ya udah masuk sekaligus kan. P dikali N. Kenapa dia marah? Kenapa ya? P sama dengan P kali N. Oh, P-nya di awal ya. Di sebelum baris 3, kasih P sama dengan 1. Di sebelum
Oke.
for. Dia ngamuk soalnya P-nya belum diinisialisasi. P sama
P
dengan 1.
sama 1.
Ya. Nah, mantap. Kok juga pengen bersin?
The greatest
Wah,
weapon
beneran ya Allah.
and the greatest weapon by the time PvP enables. And because we've got a Neverite Axe, I
Udah,
just
dia
want to
loading
increase
dulu.
sharpness 8. That's possible. Sharpness
Eh,
9 even better. And obviously,
Iya ya, ngecek ini dulu.
all sharp up, upgrade to all levels. So if we get sharpness 5, we can upgrade to sharpness 9. And if we crit someone with a sharp 9 Neverite Axe, I have no idea how much damage it's going to but it'll be pretty crazy. And if we can somehow get
Loh.
fire aspect as well. Fire aspect equally works on axes. We could also get a quick charge 7 crossbow, which would just
Oh, ini gini.
that also could be insane. We can definitely do that. Instant crossbow, but with people having like shot bot armor, I don't think it'll do too much damage. That is just such a crazy idea. Now having a machine gun. Oh, there is a guy to snow. Okay, it's a sober, I see you. Everybody just notices me. I haven't been picking up against us. Honestly, this cave has been pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna have to go with iron armor at this point. 6 minutes till PvP. I think we should probably focus more on enchanting at this point. And then just try and kill someone with diamond armor with our really, really good enchants. So let's make a level 30 enchant table right here real quick. It's 20, if I'm not wrong. So I need to add a bit more probably. 28. 30. Okay. If I do slash recipe, how many diamonds do I need for a try? Oh my god, we have to get a ring type right. That is like a must. It's a good thing I've got a water bucket. Okay, we have infinite levels, so I don't know why I'm so worried about enchanting the wrong pick. Prot 3 is good enough. Right? If we can get bots, that'll be cool as well. So Prot 4, Prot 3, Prot 3. And then also, might as well enchant a bunch more books, try and get protection. Power 4? Go, why not? Just have to oh, something else as well that I've just realized is if we're Jim, we need to make sure that the item we use with Jim only has 1 enchant. So it could just be random, like it could upgrade literally anything. So value slash recipe, list that. All we need is
Oke. Lanjut ya.
Okay. How many times with the following code output Python? 5. Yeah. Ayo Mak. Bentar.
Berapa?
How many times with the following?
Ini 1 sampai 5. Print Python berarti 4 kali. 4 ya, kan
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Hati-hati. Kalau ini berarti dari 0 sampai 4, 5. 6 bener ya Arya?
Karena kan print Python lagi yang ini di luar loopnya.
Oh iya bener. Ya, Kak Cika nggak salah jawab. Kurang
How
teliti.
many times with the following code output please?
Berapa? I sama dengan I tambah 2. Berarti berapa? 0. 0 tambah 2. Tahu Arya bener. Jika masih mikir dia udah jawab. Hah, ini apa? Days.
The
Oh,
break statement is a oh, nice.
pokoknya ya kalau break berarti berhenti.
Hey, welcome back. Let's understand what happens when you use a break statement inside a loop.
Hmm.
Break operation is used to terminate the iteration process and exit the loop. Take, for example, this block of code. Now, in this snippet, we'll see a for loop. The iterator is item that loops over an array called loops. And there is a break statement inside an if block. Now consider an array fruits with the items as should. Let's apply this code on
Okay.
this array and see what happens behind the scenes. Now in the first iteration, item value is apple. Control moves to the if statement where we check whether the value of item is orange or not. Since apple is not equal to orange, the condition fails. Control skips the entire if block and the print statement is executed. In the next iteration, item value is banana. Control moves to the if statement where we check whether the value of item is orange or not. Since banana is not equal to orange, the condition fails. Control skips the entire if block and the print statement is executed. Finally, in the third iteration, as the item value is orange, the if condition becomes true and the control moves inside the if block. The break statement inside the if block is executed and the control exits the loop. After all the iteration, this is how our final output looks like. Remember that break exits the loop.
Ntar.
Hmm.
Is a candle, and then we need to get ice. So if we can find
Hmm.
ice, we can get the Lich Stamp, which would be so cool to get. But anyway, we're going to place Jim, and I'm going to give him this axe 4 times, and he's going to make it a sharpness 8. But I'm just going to give Tim the axe and see what it can give. Because we can pretty much do it with a book anyway. And he gives Unbreaking 3. Alright. Not like a Netherite axe is going to break. And give Unbreaking 3. Alright. Not like a Netherite axe is going to break, but I'll take it. Right now we have Prop 3, Depth Strike 3, Prop 4, Prop 4, Prop 4, Sharpness. I think it's 8. Sharpness 8. Now we just need to find some people to fight, and we'll see how good this Sharpness 8 is going to be. And this is what I'm saying. I can make a really strong weapon, and then I can just find someone else who spend most of their time getting diamond armor. And I doubt this guy's upgraded with gem, because I only did 2 parts. Okay, he could be a cheater, because how do you find full diamonds when you hit these crazy hits? I'm not Depth Stride, remember? 21,
Coba ini berarti.
13, he's standing to it!
Oh,
And we're also
iya.
going to get all of his villages if he still has
Anomali
them.
gimana caranya ya nyarinya? Ya?
Well, what's possible solution it does?
Okay, so
Oh, cek aja ya kalau dia bukan 30 atau 31 berarti anomali.
I
If
just erase it.
no, kan harus di coding. Jadi bikin looping, baca listnya. Berarti for i in range length days. Coba ya Kak Cika tulis ya. For i in range, tunggu. Itu sih low banget ya. Nah, For E in range, length, days,
My God,
gitu.
so bad it wasn't even sharpness.
If
Oh, full
he
diamonds. You made bio
um
Are you serious? Why?
tidak sama dengan
That is actually criminal. I
30
think the only
and
use was
I
good, so we're gonna
tidak
stop
sama
it.
dengan
We're gonna keep going.
31
That was doing like and he was basically full diamonds, like he was full diamonds. The helmets are full diamonds. Well, the
print
helmets are
kok di sini
diamond
sih?
helmets. So yeah.
Eh.
So, and also what we're gonna do is we're gonna
Kok
place
gitu
down
sih?
Matilda. We're gonna give her 4
Print
water bottles, and she's gonna give us
ano
4 potions. Like what they do.
I
Crazy things. So the first one
is
diamond touch.
anomaly
Once it breaks, then into diamonds. That is pretty good, but I have
is
really useful before actually.
break.
Speed 3 and jump boost.
Gitu ya.
Lasts 1 minute. Still damage 3.
Ya,
Coba lihat codingnya di KCK.
ada chat play.
Tapi nggak tahu bener gitu nggak ya, harusnya logiknya ada yang lebih bagus nggak?
Fine 6. Oh,
Kurungnya
it's the
ya
ugly
kutipnya.
ones.
Kalau copy paste dari itu ya, dari Zoom suka kacau.
Lah, line 4.
Oh, kurungnya kurang 1 ya. Sorry.
Oh ya.
Kak Cika tidak teliti, maafkan. Wrong answer. Dia gimana sih? Coba apa yang salah tah?
Oh, days. For days.
Kayaknya kalau mau days berarti semua i-nya diganti.
Oke.
Kalau kata Kak Cika day aja deh, jangan sama nama listnya ya, nanti berantem. Jadi a day terus i-nya diganti day juga.
Oke.
Tapi benar nggak sih di ngebandinginnya benar ya? Salah. Oh, ngerti. Enggak ya, kata dia gini. Dicek aja if kan ini day ya. Jadi gini. For day in days in range length days.
Ya.
Tunggu, ketik dulu. If day lebih kecil dari 30, range anomaly break. Itu. Ya kayak gitulah kira-kira.
This instant damage 3 is also insane. I do want to keep that for the end of the game. Even if I die trying to get to the end of the game without using it, I want to do that. Because instant damage 3 is just such a strong potion that if you use it right, it just instantly kills someone. And this guy really running away from me. Bro, have full diamonds. Should be one at a time. Probably kill these 2 people right here. And they're the corpses. Come on. Don't make me waste this speed 3. I don't know why I drank this, to be honest. I just want to get into a fight because there isn't an insane amount in my team. But okay, jump boost is not going to work. I took the sword. I don't know if it's the right one, but let's keep moving. How many have Depstrada? You're screwed. You are so. There's actually nothing you can do. I have speed 3. Nice. Okay, he had fire aspect. Yeah, fire pro again. What are people? Fire pro. action. Especially for that. Tilda, take it. Alright. And Philip with the book as well. Got a little bit of runs. What? Okay, and this is a protection 7 gesture. Oh, got 3 leggings. Nice. Okay, so it's probably better for me to make a diamond helmet. I just need to get some woods. Protection 4. Nice. That didn't take too long. We have a cool extra set.
Gue itunya. Oke.
Coba benerin ya. Oh, taruh ini.
Oke.
Bener nggak? Ah, di reset.
Dah. Yang mana
Ah,
yang
di reset sama Arya, bener. Sama Arya tadi sama Arya di reset jadi hilang.
Oh, enggak yang di chat. Yang mana yang benar?
Yang paling akhir.
Oke.
Coba ya, bener nggak? Awas kutip ya. Coba, masih salah. Ya,
Tuh. Benar, Pak.
bener. Ya. Oke, good.
Oke.
Alright. If he wants to fight me, I'll fight him. Oh, he's drinking pots. Okay. Slime coating. Instant damage potion face and the head. So, it's on 34. This guy has really tanky armor. He's definitely got a few kills. But the sword is mainly knockback. It's not even sharpness. Okay. Slimes are bigger. Slimes. They're so OP. I got a sharp 4. Neverite sword. Prop chest plate. Prop boots. Minus touch potion. That actually could be insane. Like that might actually be green. So minus touch. That's almost not in the 30 seconds that you have to break it. Which is obviously insane. I don't think I got that guy's heads. But anyway, Gruntilda, it's time for you to brew some more potions for us. Please make them good. And some guy did magic craft the Beehive Blaster, so he must have got Silk Touch. Infested brew.
Lah kok?
Kok gini?
Oh ini.
Kenapa dia? Refresh. Oh iya ya. Tapi bisa juga. Ah,
Okay, recall that break exits.
coba. Mana sih disuruhnya?
Sebentar,
kenapa?
aku refresh dulu. Mau lihat videonya.
Ya.
Hey, welcome back. We saw how a break statement works. Let's understand this, which will be this continuous statement better. Now
It's not what I
continue.
wanted. to tell them,
Give
but
the correct
it's okay. It's
process
not really
and
double
to the break statement.
weaving curves.
Take for example, this
What does
block
that
of
actually
code.
do?
In this snippet, we'll see a pause. Narrator is that
On comments. Now, even if someone has like the same website, fine, I still have the concept and template from what happened before leggings, boots.
what happens
There, it's once you survive from there.
in the first iteration. I think
I
that
have no way of getting up.
because you
There,
actually
actually,
share better than I
weaving.
on. This sample is not equal orange, the condition phase. Controls gives the code inside the given block and the print statement is executed. The next division, the value is banana. Control goes to the if statement, where we check whether the value bind to this orange job.
And then when he hits me,
This is
it's
when
spots
aligns
comments on
not
it.
with orange.
See if this works out.
Controls the code inside the if block and the print statement is executed. So the third iteration, as the item value is orange, if condition becomes true and the control is finally if block where the condition is executed and the control gives the correct derivative and goes to the next iteration. Having the final iteration and the value is this control goes to the
Almost
next
that's
statement,
more.
check whether the value binds this orange or not.
No, you
Since
could.
it's
One
not
correct.
equal to
That's
orange,
all I
the
need.
condition fails. Control
Some
gives
more.
the code inside the
1.5
condition.
months.
The print statement is executed.
Nice.
Power execute.
Okay, my hands.
That will control
Great.
gives
Bye.
the code following
Yeah.
into the correct direction
I
and
want
goes to
them.
the
Now we're gonna have to use the minus code at some point because we can just get an insane amount of gold from that. So I think it's worth just gathering a bunch of apples right now. See about using them. We can go underground as well. There is definitely someone with full netherite somewhere, and it could be this guy underground, which is pretty scary.
Hey, welcome
Well,
back. We'll
I go
learn
down,
how to write
like
a
this guy,
function,
like
call the
this
function,
function,
and make any
I don't know what
function
it's right now,
can do
but
eight
we
things.
can
It
do
either
science.
prints a value or returns a value.
because we
Printing a value inside the function is something wrong.
then we
This
can
video is explore
bam,
what we
pop ups like
learn
that,
about.
human traffic.
Let's look at this. We have
I
a
killed
function named calculate.
Yeah, those I
Inside the
add
function,
those
we
right
add
there.
numbers
The
and
thing
print
is,
some
right
sum.
out.
Now, instead of printing the value, it
Regen potion.
the
I
same
don't know
function
what that
returns
has.
the value.
It looks insane.
Sends
And
back
shrinking
value.
potion. That lasts
Is
a
in
minute
a
and a half.
function.
Totally
Called.
So,
Now the
I
function has
assume-
returned the
what is this
value.
potion again? Resistance of 3.
There are two things.
What?
There you can print
Yo,
the value
that has to
or
be the
store
most
the
open
value
one.
inside
Is
a
it just normal
array.
regen? It's
You can wrap the
that is
function
insane.
on kind of print the value.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
So, now how do I do that?
Oh, numbers. Oh, cuman ngeprint yang tadi kan yang genap dijumlahin. Kalau sekarang cari yang ganjil ya.
Ini.
Oh iya, ini udah example. Tapi itu bukan pertanyaan, ini baru contoh. Arya cari soalnya dulu. Mana sih errornya? Soalnya. If number in numbers, if number sama dengan n, continue.
Lah, bedanya apa ini?
Oh, yang pertamanya
Oh, ini
guys.
nggak ada ini.
Iya.
Oke.
Yang ini nyari bilangan yang kita cari. Beda.
Waduh,
Wah, kok jago?
aku nggak mikir loh. Aku cuma klik itu aja.
Ya lo langsung bener. Multiple choice, hati-hati ya. Dibagi 2 genap. Jadi dia bilang genap, even.
Oke,
Pelan-pelan. You nailed it, yes.
oh, jadi kita, oke, aku ngerti. Jadi kita itu, kita for loop, terus kita break, terus kita buat nge-skip konten yang itu, habis itu continue lagi gitu. Oh.
Pokoknya continue tuh tetap ngeloop, kalau break berhenti ngeloop gitu aja ya.
Jadi kalau kita taruh sesuatu, misalnya value isi dari list,
Iya,
di antara break dan continue itu nggak bakal di dalam loopnya. Oh.
gitulah kira-kira pokoknya. Nah, apa nih? Tambah kasih kayaknya.
I don't think we'll lose too much.
Harus
Well, we
upload
won't
nih.
miss out on much if I just start using it now. Just go down here to like couple of seconds on. Obviously,
Sambil upload dan download.
because I'm finding here, we might take out a lot of things as well. So I think we might end up with like 50 gold or something like that.
Oh iya lupa.
So, okay, so
Bentar.
golden. We got 40 golds. Nice. Can I craft any more heads? No, I can't.
Where is my desktop?
A lot of gapples. And we
Nice.
have plenty of playheads now as well. I wonder if we can fish for the pufferfish cannon. Let's see. So the only thing I'm missing is 4 iron, 2 pufferfish. And I can make a fish rod right now. Shrinking might not be used on this guy. But he's wearing an iron helmet, which is a good sign. Okay, that's the 3 axe jumpist. And he's using it to run away. What? Okay, never mind. Oh, no, this is actually what's going. He's on 14. 6.
Oke.
Wickham AI Note Taker is different than all the rest. It allows you to focus on meanings, not. I got it. Oh, oh my god. And you had friends as well. Nice. And you had loads of player heads and a sharp.
Oh, ntar dulu. Bentar.
Okay. Good backup armor right there. And never mind. Stuff. Don't tell me that's gonna blow up. No one does. Please. Nice. Okay.
What will be the output of the following code? I do not know.
Hati-hati. Hijau. Jago kali lah.
Obviously, we have a really smart goals healing already. But if we're
Um,
really preparing for the final fight, that could be crazy. Then I need to do stuff like that. Split trap fully ready for it. Invest in curses. Okay, I do not want to drink Trinity. And this guy is still using a normal time atonement. So this should be a lot easier. We do have to think about how stuff. Okay, let's get the supply drop.
Answer. Oh, Apen nambahin ya. Ini dulu deh. Oke. Ini juga. Nah. Ayo.
Oke, bentar.
defeated us. No. It's funny how a lot of legendaries have been crap, but we haven't got a single legendary. That's quite worrying.
Number 1, 2, 3. Terus ditambah 3. Oh, jadi semuanya ditambah 3. Jadi nanti ada 4, 5, 6. Tapi cuman boleh nambahin sampai 5.
Besides of some, well,
Coba Arya berarti harus ngomong.
sharpness 11. Oh my god, okay. Well, that's definitely better than mine. How is 5 minutes? Interesting. Okay.
Harus
Obviously, our
explain.
Neverends love it. It's been amazing this game, but I can't say no to a sharpness 11 Neverend sword, especially when at the end of the game everyone's going to be fight fast paced. And potions wise, we got the fire res potion for the end of the game, but it also gives jump boost for 30 seconds. So maybe I just drink it like even now. Okay, I see a guy with Neverend armor. He's using a bow. He's invisible.
Gimana ya? Jelasin.
Eksperimen.
Kata dia, kalau itu dia berarti nambahin semua bilangan yang ditambah 3. Yang maksudnya 1 ditambah 3 kan jadi 4. 2 ditambah 3 jadi 5.
Apa?
Dia bakal nambahin ke dalam list ini semua ditambah 3 gitu. Jadi nanti jadi 1, 2, 3, 1 tambah 3, 4, 2 tambah 3, 5. Terus berhenti, soalnya panjangnya nggak boleh lebih besar dari 5, harus break. Nah, Arya jelasin tuh. Jadi dia akan ngeprint bilangan 1 sampai 5 gitu. Karena
Nggak ngerti.
kan Arya lihat, ingat gak yang dulu pernah belajar Apen? Jadi kan ini
Ya,
kan ada list, isinya kan cuma 3 bilangan kan?
ya.
Ini kan. Nah, terus di looping nih. Untuk semua bilangan yang ada di numbers, dia tuh di list ini ditambah bilangan
3.
tersebut ditambah 3. Jadi kan ini udah ada 1, 2, 3 kan. Di Apen, berarti kan yang pertama kan ini. Berarti 1 ditambah 3 kan. Berarti 4. Terus sekarang berikutnya kan ini kan yang kedua. 2 ditambah 3 berapa? 5 kan.
5, iya 5. Terus itu.
Tapi terus ini
6.
tuh nggak boleh lebih panjang daripada 5. Jadi kalau misalnya 3 ini tuh nggak sempet ditambahin 2. Nggak sempet ditambahin 3 karena panjangnya nggak boleh lebih dari 5. Jadi yang di print tuh cuman sampai 1 sampai 5. Nah, Arya jelasin gitu bahwa dia akan ngeprint karena setiap bilangan akan ditambah 3 gitu. Tapi panjang list tidak boleh lebih dari 5. Jadi Arya ngomongnya gimana?
Nggak tahu. Bentar.
How do you explain that? Bisa nggak? The code will print.
Bow is probably flame. It's not flame. Okay.
Numbers from 1 to 5.
Probably not too much, because you would definitely put flame on a bow you want it to be OP.
Dum, dum, dum.
I wonder how easy it is to actually hit this guy with this jump boost. Do pretty good with it. Oh my god. Sharpness 11. Hello.
Wow.
Okay, this is going a lot worse than I thought it would. Giving him confidence though, which is good. Okay, good thing we have fire res. Yeah, I'm dead trying to beat simple. Never mind, I'm sorry. It's on 30. This guy is attacking. Holy crap. This is the type of person we need to use our potions on. Okay, the resistance 3 potion is just so good. So I can easily kill this guy by just running, pretending as if I'm scared, And then if he follows me, string.
Hmm. Ini apa ya? Tunggu. Hmm. Oke. Oh,
Like, get it on purple here. Right, that's good. Okay. And he is actually following me down. He done 14, but oh well. So G heads.
Huh?
Not gonna win. Yes. Nice. What a kill. That was like perfect utilization of resistance screen. Because I basically lost like nothing. Got my boots, pretty good. 7 seconds left. So that play ahead. And I think that's all I want. Invested curse potion. I'm not too bothered about that. Okay, his sword is serious. We have to be very careful with that. But because my weapons are also insane and I'm getting more hits in, start running like you're in the Matrix. It doesn't matter.
okay.
Guy actually escaped on HP for some reason. This person traces.
On. Okay.
Right, okay. 3, 1. overlapping as well. No. Yes. Have gaps to let yourself stay on like 1 inch group. Behind his father's after mother comes for his mother. Wando find his long lost mother. Find out in today's episode of Wandale Bingo, but it's angry. But what subscriber?
Oh, ini. Oh my. Oke.
Netherite is one of the best things to have ever happened to Minecraft's tool progression, but at the end of the day, there is always some room for improvement. So, Advanced Netherite is here to make the system even better. The mod makes it so that now you can infuse Netherite ingots with other gems and materials, each coming with its own stats and abilities. For tools, the better the material is, the faster it'll be and more materials will drop when mined. And for weapons, attack damage will increase. For armor, each material has different abilities with iron.
Mama ngapain?
Ini jawab ya. Kak Cika nungguin dari tadi. Arya nggak ngetik-ngetik. Kan Kak
Iya,
Cika tadi udah jelasin.
nggak aku
Nah, Arya sekarang Arya
aku tadi
jelasin.
bilang apa? Aku mau tutup mata dulu sebentar. Karena
Oh,
pusing,
oke. Yuk.
mungkin nggak kedengaran, maaf.
Ya udah, sekarang lanjut coba. Iya, sayang. Mm, 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 mm.
Coba 5.
Mana? Bilang aja pokoknya dia ngeprint semua bilangan ditambah 3. Tapi panjangnya nggak boleh lebih dari 5 gitu ya. Oke.
Phantoms, gold pacifying piglets, emeralds pacifying
Siapa ya?
and diamonds pacifying all.
Jangan.
Hey everyone,
I'm replacing the mobile ads. -6 or +2, obviously -6. I know my math. You driving in my truck right after a beer. This is a no college race. +2 or -1. I didn't drop out of college for no reason. -4, dude, easily. Just put them on the track. There's a bunch of ads everywhere. Please ignore them, guys. This is so embarrassing. Alright, top 11. Divided by 20 or divided by 2. Bro, bigger number, better speedy. But I don't want
Oh ya, dia loading gini.
there we go, nice. Divided by 2 plus divided by 2. Bro, how can enter here? Bro, whoever built this track sold out hard. It may have been me. I'm going for first place. 3 cookies, I don't want them. Go, send. Oh, there we go. I can't get past level 3. Oh no, I think I can. Lucky bounce. Okay, ignore that. Just ignore that, guys. Three hands. Elon. Then jump. There we go. Oh no. 2 triple deals in a row. But then my truck is too big. Fellas, lucky I know the way. I know the setup of the race line. 3, 2, 1.
Dia nggak
There we
loading.
go. Level. Oh no, not the big level. This is so difficult. Like the driving is easy, but focusing on track while there's so many ads. But I can't even see the road. Subscribe to the level. No, here's what I can't say. $5 for the ad is not worth it. Wait, shiny level, nice. What is next? It's the fastest or a hack. Oh no, is this impossible? Chat, is this impossible? Let's take a look. Oh no, there's the gap. And then there's the wall, Harry Potter style. Jump, choose the right wall. Oh, this is so easy. This is so easy, I know. This is so smart. 700 IQ, Harry Potter. No! I'm gonna fix it. Oh, man. One, no one. Wow, whatever. Wish was like 3 pages, which boiled down to the house. Yeah, alright. Second. You know that if I don't lesson give you an ironic consequence, I'll be fired. Like, oh, well, dead. Right, well, that's fine. Answer. I'm a lawyer. So, how about second? No, I'm never my people so right now. Yeah, I get that a lot. Can't bring anyone back from the dead. Now that ain't what I wish for the conference. And not well, it's the Lord five live. There you go. Not want to start the debate right now. Bottom line is, loss is hard, but I can't find it out. Well then, think for your way. This is like 1,000 things, and it's a threat. You don't rectify previous wishes, then you'll wish to Thanos the plan, and bingo was his name. Not gonna try. Perhaps the Starbucks employee. No, I'm exempt. love the finish line. Love finish line. Great counselor. Go to that counselor for a few weeks and I'll give you your loved one. Oh,
Hmm.
children. Yes, I have, and I would like my role. Adventure, where are the other children? Nobody say 4 children. I said say that at least 4 children with a bandit cat. Oh, I rescued 4 children. There were 14 children to play with them.
Ya. Hmm. Mana? Loh, ini.
Water has to be extra motion. Okay, so we're gonna motion for every quart of water. How is it the scale of the one? Guys, and please do me a big favor. Go on high drop on it's still show respect to me. Yeah. Oh, we're on standby while we prepare our motion. Dispatch the larvae immediately lay your belly down, find the little eggs right behind the eye. Take the tip of the knife and plunge straight down to the eggs, slide the knife forward, this way it's laid back and use now put them inside your boiling liquid, make sure it's completely submerged. It is different cook times depending on the size of the lobster, so here's a formula depending on your size. Now when you love, you don't want it to overcook, so you burn it.
Oh, loading.
But start. That's the honor. Thank you, Kanapu, for your honorable sacrifice.
Oh, iya benar.
If I can, ask but they will make it full, which are basically overly complicated things. I don't understand how complicated. One of the cases is tail. Now I'm gonna get plenty of sweat to cover it. So try and tell me that you made it actually really easy and you can do it. Like that, I'll say you're wrong. This is already more effort than 90% of other fried potatoes. Speaking of potatoes, we luckily get to stuff. Then we leave the full step, which I imagine is logical. Seeing as I don't understand science, then we'll follow the protocol. Make it pretty cold back. It's gonna boil, drain, and then rice these potatoes. Honestly, I was shocked the recipe didn't ask me. Then we're gonna combine our mashed potatoes, and I genuinely would like to know how on earth someone came up with it. You can't convince me it wasn't an accident. The recipe specifically calls for the mixture into a piping pan, but I don't think that helped me shape these balls. Just get a quick fry in hot oil, and I gotta say they do look pretty damn good. Then I started thinking, no recipe called for this. I thought they needed to take it. And I don't think any Michelin restaurant will make them like this, but they do. You kind of look like mini typical. I mean, fried potato always gonna be good. This is definitely good. Like a fancy payday pot. I like it, but they're making me start.
Ya, bentar Kak Cika buka pintu ya, ya.
One of the reasons for this is that its leaders are hanging on by a thread. This is before the conductors. Spoiler warning for actors. When the Rep Weavers took control of the Citadel and trapped Rand with herself, they created a CAS system to install order in their new kingdom. The conductors were at the top of this hierarchy, orders and we know it's 3 conductors, and the one that we spend the most time with is Conductor Path. This is the guy that teaches you the conductor's melody, and he's being capitalized by a self-life support system. By this point in his life, they fought and protected the Weavers
Apa-apa?
Crafting. Oh, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Okay, so the question is, how do I craft any? Oh, a ruined portal. My only goal is to find diamonds. Come on, yes! That's and shovel. Oh, that was great. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I swear that was not staged. Oh my. Okay, I just need an iron pick to break it. No iron yet? Alright, a stack of cobblers. No way I don't get anything good. Have to be kidding. It's just cobblestone, bro. What the? Oh no! Go, go, go! Nothing. Oh, I need to get the gold. Run! Get out! Okay. All right. Command block? What if I just? Oh!
Oke. Nah, Arya tuh udah tuh. Oh, sekarang berarti ini kita clear. Nah, disuruh gini ya. Berarti kayak gini. Kan N sama dengan input, input, gini kan. No. While ini lebih kecil dari N, while C lebih kecil dari N. N ini ya. Turun nggak ya? Nggak ya, gini. Ini sama dengan C
I genuinely have no idea how to start this video, mostly because I have
plus
no idea
1.
what I've made. Let me explain. I started out wanting to make mini Hasselblads. This method just edited by
I sama dengan
Then once I had
I
these tiny potatoes,
plus 1.
I decided I wanted to be really extra. So I spent
Ini gitu deh ya.
pickle for about a week, mostly because I was going on holiday and I didn't have time to finish it. Anyway, a week later, and they didn't smell like they were going to kill, and I now had a bowl of internally seasoned salt and vinegar potatoes. And I could have just roasted them, but I figured I've already come this far.
Kayak
so
gitu
why
nggak
not
ya?
make it
Cobain
as
ya.
extra as possible? So I decided to confit, and if you're not culinarily inclined, that just means roast slowly in nothing.
Input
I just strained out
I
all of the
while
flavors
I.
and deep fried them in that same oil. Then I got together a very
Oh,
quick seasoning consisting of random things
ini.
I had in my cupboard, which by the way is always better than buying a rough.
Kita coba copy paste di sini ya.
Turned the potatoes in a bowl, and I realized the little groove makes the perfect little seasoning.
Salah.
But now my question is, what do I call it? Mini Hasselbacks? Potato xylophones? I don't know. Looks like a crispy bug. This this gas. I don't know what I'm going to call this video.
Gitu.
Oke.
Cobain ya. Tambahin yang kurang aja.
I lower than
Less than.
while J is lower than print
Pakai and. Ya.
and
N sama dengan kutip spasi. Kasih spasi. Nggak juga nggak apa-apa sih, nggak apa-apa lihat nanti. Oke, dah. Terus J di ya plus 1.
Dimundurin.
Enggak, bener gitu. J sama dengan J plus 1. Terus sejajar sama wal J, I sama dengan I plus 1. Mundur, ya, pintar. Itu kan digemperin baris sama kolom ya harusnya. Oke, submit ya. Berhasil kok gitu. J is not defined. Hah? Oh. Oh, J-nya sama dengan 0 juga ya. Di atas kurang. Dia abis I kasih J sama dengan 0 ya. Hah? Ini copy
Coba,
sama
coba ini, coba
Oh, ya udah.
ini. Yeay.
Oke.
Oke, kita berhenti dulu dengan ini.
Terima kasih Arya.
Ya, Assalamualaikum. Makasih,
Dadah.
sama-sama.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.